Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying the exact model and BIOS revision. This matters. Once done, check battery health percentage in diagnostics and record it. Power off, unplug AC and remove the battery if the design allows, using ESD care so you don't damage circuitry. Next, gather tools. A Phillips #0 screwdriver, a multimeter to read voltage, and either the OEM replacement battery or the manufacturer's voltage specs. You start the repair immediately to avoid wasted steps. You open the access panel and carefully inspect the connector and surrounding board for corrosion, bent pins, or swollen cells. This is often the root cause. Then measure battery voltage at the pack under a light load and compare to the OEM spec. Anything off by more than 10% needs attention. After cleaning contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and letting them dry, reseat connectors firmly. If a BIOS update addresses battery management, apply it now to rule out firmware errors. You install the replacement battery if voltage was out of spec, observing correct polarity and recommended screw torque. Once installed, recalibrate the power management. Charge to 100%, discharge to around 3%, then charge back to 100%. Repeat one more cycle to reset gauges. After that, run full hardware diagnostics and log the results for comparison. If error 601 remains, try swapping the battery shield or contact a board-level repair service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.